Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily link your mobile phone to your Windows 11 computer using Microsoft Phone Link. So on your computer, search for Phone Link using the Windows search bar and open the app. Choose whether you're connecting an Android or iPhone. Then enter your device security password. This is for safety and authentication. A QR code will now appear. Just click continue with QR code. On your phone, so I will show you what happened to your phone here. So just open Chrome and go to aka.ms/link PC. So tap continue, then download and install the link to Windows app. So after installing, tap continue, then sign in using your Microsoft account email. So tap next, then check your email for a verification code and enter it. So back on your computer, click continue and a code will appear. Now on your phone, just type the code to complete the pairing. So I cannot show you all the process because some screen may auto black out during recording for privacy. So once connected, tap allow on your phone to give full permission. This allows your computer to access your messages, photos, and notification. And that's it. Your phone is now successfully linked to your Windows 11 computer. You can now manage call, text, and files straight from your PC.